GPT-4 is outdated. Definitely. Today we are using GPT-5 since ChatGPT has just released their latest model. And of course I have made many videos about it before. But today I will put a test for this model to see if it could recreate a Rubik's Cube simulation app and also solve the cube by itself or not. Let's head to the test right now. Okay, I'm currently in the ChatGPT website, and you not need to concern where to access to GPT-5 because it has been updated for almost 2 weeks. Also, I'm using the free version too. Premium plan is optional, by the way, but I'ma just stay with the free one to see how good it could be. All right, here we go with the prompt. I ask it to generate for me a completed HTML or JavaScript that, using 3.js, which is suitable for almost any browsers available for your device. This should be a perfect replica of the original Rubik's Cube simulation, and the types of the cube would be from 1 by 1 by 1 to 20 by 20 by 20, which also the limitation for human to solve. I also add some camera angles for the program, like the POV mode, view rotation, and some other elements like the control for the Rubik's Cube via mouse or keyboard buttons. Okay, those are the main things. Let it start generating the app right now. I'ma speed up the process for you. The generation is done now. Click Preview to see the result. Wow! It kind of amazed me at the first look because of the UI it rendered for me. Also, I really love the background of the app. Let's see what we have here. A perfect 3 by 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. I could also rotate the view of the cube, as I wrote in the prompt before. Talk about the cube a little bit. The main elements are still okay, however the model is still not the best you could have. Like the shading, the outline are still careless. You could still re-render it yourself if you want. All right, I will let it scramble the cube randomly like this. The smoothness is good, and I can rotate the view while scrambling too. You could also scramble it yourself by your mouse, but it would be long as hell. Okay, click Solve to see how it will solve the cube. And the object is doing its work right now. Pretty cool, right? Also, you could speed up the process on this bar too. It's done now. As good as new. How about increase the value to 5? It should be a harder one. Scrambling first. The scrambling is much longer right now. However, it could still solve the cube perfectly. Still, not a big deal. So, what is the limit of the AI could do? This is what it should look like with the maximum value. The AI could only scramble the outside edges of the cube like you see on the video. It doesn't seem to do well from the first step, and it would be like this from upper than 10. And this is what happened to the 10 by 10 by 10 cube. It still could scramble, but it could not solve the cube anymore. It moved for a while and stopped at the middle. I guess that's all it could do. The ideal value should be smaller than 10 so that the AI could work properly. Which is much better than GPT-4, since it could only do up to 5 by 5 by 5 Rubik's Cube. Still, a very good effort. Okay, that's all for today. Although I couldn't get access to the earlier versions to show you, it's pretty clear that GPT-5 is much smarter, especially with its better reasoning abilities and improved chain of thought features. Please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. It motivates me a lot while creating more content for you. Stay safe, have fun, and goodbye.